How to use Zara TRF Young Collections. Zara TRF is Zara's dedicated trend-driven collection designed for a young demographic, generally targeting trend popular with age 18 to 25. It offers edgy fashion-forward pieces, often at a more accessible price point that the main Zara women like. Now, you can navigate to TRF or Young section in the menu. So go to the home page or open up Zara on your device. And there, what you want to do is simply want to go ahead and select menu. And as you do this, you just want to make sure to go ahead and select TRF or Young section. So what you want to do is just go to the home page, their menu actually, and you just want to make sure to go ahead and select for Young or TRF, right? So when you do this, you will be able to find, although Zara has streamlined its branding, trendy 12 flaunts, pieces are still curated within a specialized category, often under new fashions, new fresh, or join life label as well. And this way, you're supposed to use Zara TRF Young Collections. So basically, you will be able to find it in the menu section. And thank you for watching. See you in a next video.